Hi there, I'm Hal, Marketing Manager here at International Gas Detectors, and in today's video we're going to be showcasing and unboxing the new BELLMINI Single Gas Portable, showcasing the app connected features as well as what you'll get inside the box when it's delivered. So when you receive the BELLMINI from IGD, this is the box it will come in, and you'll also have a dispatch note as well, not shown here. So this is the packaging that the BELLMINI was received in, and as you see on the back it also showcases the model number, the gas type, as well as your serial number. The QR code will also take you to a manual. So straight away, if we just lift up the lid, the first thing that you'll see is its own user manual quick start guide. So this is in its own sealed packaging. The quick start guide just showcases a few of the key features on the BELLMINI, how to use it, as well as where to download the BELLCONNECT app, which is available on iOS and Android. The next thing you'll see is a calibration certificate. With all of IGD's gas detection products, they come out pre-calibrated and pre-set up. So this one's showcasing the calibration certificate you get with the BELLMINI. So once we've taken out the calibration certificate and user manual, you see here is the BELLMINI Single Gas Portable. So if we lift this out of its packaging, this is the single gas monitor with its app connected features. Right straight outside of the packaging, it's not turned on to save battery and for safety. So if we put this back here, then the final part of the packaging underneath this is the calibration adapter. So if you take the packaging fully out, you'll see a calibration adapter that's used to calibrate the BELLMINI. So as you can see, we've fully unpacked the BELLMINI. So I'm going to showcase how to turn it on and the features it goes through when you turn it on. It's dead simple to use, it's a single button operation. So as soon as we start holding down the button, you'll see a counter show. As soon as the counter stops, take your hand off. The BELLMINI will then go through a check. It's going to showcase the alarms, the vibration, as well as its 100 decibel reading. And it will also do a fresh air 0. And then once it's supplied and on, it will start reading safe, and this is a standard setting that can be changed in the monitor. So now that we've unboxed the BELLMINI, we've turned it on and it's done its fresh air 0, I'm going to showcase how to turn the Bluetooth on. So as standard, the BELLMINI's Bluetooth is off when it's turned on. It does have near field communication called NFC, which if you pair it to the phone will automatically connect. If your phone doesn't have that capability, then it has Bluetooth built into the monitor. So I'm just going to run through how to turn the Bluetooth on. It's dead simple, it's just a few button clicks. So to begin with, if you double click this button here, we'll enter the menu section. Then if you single click till you see BLE, so this stands for Bluetooth, and we double click to enter the menu. At this point you'll see on and you can cycle to off. So we want the Bluetooth on, so we double click again, and you'll see BLE on. At this point we can single click to out and double click to get out of the menu. And now your BELLMINI has its Bluetooth on. You can now pair this to your Android or iPhone using the BELLMINI Connect app. Once you've disconnected the BELLMINI from the app, it will run Bluetooth for a few minutes and then turn itself off to save battery. So there you go, that was how to unbox and turn on the BELLMINI and how to turn on the Bluetooth. And as you can see, it's a very compact single gas portable targeted for specific gases, and it's got lots of different features and benefits, including its safe mode reading, its data logging and event logging, and all of this can be downloaded straight from the BELLCONNECT app. So our next video will showcase the BELLCONNECT app where we can change the different settings on the BELLMINI to meet your requirements. From changing safe mode to a live reading, to downloading the data log and event log, to putting different alarm levels, TWA settings, as well as a calibration due and a calibration reminder settings on there. So join us next time to learn more about the BELLCONNECT app and to harness the incredible features of this BELLMINI Single Gas Portable.